Residents and small business operators in and around Riverton have expressed shock about plans to decommission the Riverton city dump. Now, the people are asking the Prime Minister and the other authorities to have dialogue with them about the plans for the facility. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson visited the area today and has this report.
And the decommissioning of various dumps, including the Riverton city dump.
Those words came as a shock to many people in Riverton, especially those who depend on the activities at the dump for a living. The work here include scrap metal traders, animal farmers and pickers, who are persons who search through the waste for useful goods to sell. And most of that work could disappear if the facility is decommissioned. So the people are worried.
It going to put a whole heap of people out of job and make some more people hungry. The government have to know that too. Because him they really know what going on.
And Jonas can't do that, man. You're mad, man. I'm going to find something else for do, man. No joke, man. All right, we start, boy, man. Him can't lock down the place. More attack, you know, when him talk and when the youth them get hungry, they go. You understand? Him have to do something better and talk something better than that, man. Him can't do him look up, change up, yeah? But him can't move the dump.
This is how we get our bread, this is how we get food on the dog. Some people don't know Adam and some people don't know better outer road. This is how them know from start. There's some people go around here and know say yesterday them come for yesterday them get them start and yesterday they don't know where it's outer road, Riverton and the dog. So if you do that now, so you're mad. If you do that now, it's about enough people out there because at the end of the day, enough people out there go out there with thieves. I'm going to do one more things and kill people before them want. I just want them know. So I'm not taking the right people to get this, take this from the people.
And even as the people wait on the details about what influenced the Prime Minister's decision, they are already putting forward a defense for some of the long-standing problems at the Riverton dump, namely crime and occasional fires.
The crime has nothing to do with the dump. People down here just it's a crime like overall, everywhere crime there, and then it's all one crime there. You understand? But pan the dump, the fire is just a major thing. You eat sometimes, rise up there. The chemical pan the dump, and nobody like the dump.
The Prime Minister in his speech in Gordon House explained that new disposal sites would also be opened, prompting this question from some of the people here at Riverton.
You go take the dump from here, so? You go take the dump from here, and when you check it out, you can't go somewhere else. Because the money where they pay the truck right now, it have to go double. Because you can't expect the same money where you have in a town or work, you go carry work go a country for the same money. So a whole heap of change have to go make. And a whole heap of spending and a whole heap of them something have to go on.
No doubt it's a bustling community. It's not just a dump down here. Residents are firmly opposed to any decommissioning of the facility. They say the Prime Minister and the other authorities need to come in and speak with them because according to them, too many people depend on the facility.
Everybody have a dialogue, you know, so you solve the problem. I saw the problem solving the people, them have a dialogue. Make him understand what go on. Yeah, for real, that need to go on, yeah. Make him hear what go on.
Mr. Holness said he would begin sensitizations about the plan to decommission the Riverton dump by holding talks with the Member of Parliament for Western St. Andrew, Anthony Hilton. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.